The DA as an agent can now be integrated with Oracle Fusion Service, allowing us to convert a digital assistant into an automated agent. Here on the left side, we can see the customer portal where the chat widget is located. On the right side, we have the agent portal with an active agent ready to receive requests. To aid in request routing and provide customer details, the customer can fill out a form. In this instance, the customer wants to check the status of their order. The digital assistant will automatically pick up the request and take over the interaction with the customer. The customer request is successfully fulfilled, but he has yet another question for which he specifically asks for a human agent. Once this happens, the conversation is automatically sent to an available agent. All of the routings can be configured with rules. Once the agent accepts the incoming request, he has a panel where he is able to see the entire conversation history, the customer details, a table with all previous interactions with the available transcripts, and open service requests. The agent can search for contacts and service requests, and the knowledge base can also be used to search for information that can be shared in the chat itself. The Oracle Digital Assistant integrated as an agent with Oracle Fusion can improve the speed and efficiency of customer support while freeing up human agents for more high-value activities. Check our documentation for more details.